Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something really exciting for you. ByteDance just launched their first video tool called Seedance 1.0 and people are saying it's better than Neo 3. It can make smooth, high quality and very realistic videos and you can even get different camera angles with just one prompt, and yes, it's free. I am super excited to show you how it works, so let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and type in the search bar dreamina.capcut.com and press the enter. Here you need to log in the site, but I have already logged in. Once you are in, you will see the main interface with image generator, video generator and AI avatar generator. In the sidebar, you will find options like home, explore, profile, assets, image generator, Canva editor and at the end video generator. I will show you a demo of the video generator. You can create a video from text or you can upload an image to turn it into video. Here I will generate a video from text prompt. I will click on the text prompt and type ancient wizard in a dark forest, glowing stuff, mystical fog, fantasy art. Below that, you will see options for 5 seconds video and 10 seconds video. I will pick the 5 seconds video and click on the generate button to create the video. It might take a moment depending on your internet speed. So finally, here you can see the amazing results of Seedance 1.0 and quality is really good, smooth and super realistic. It's definitely a killer of Google's Veo 3. So easy to use and results are unbelievable. Now I will generate a video from an image. I will upload an image from my device, select it and upload it here. Then add a prompt for better results. For example, the girl is walking on the road in front of her car. And here is the results, amazing, so smooth and so realistic. If you want the best results, add more details in your prompt. The best thing is you can use it all for free. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.